guys, welcome back to my channel. So sorry about not uploading on Monday. I know I said I was going to be uploading every Monday and Friday, but this Monday my dog actually got sick. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you guys what I ate. Very realistic, very easy. I've been getting like some Instagram DMs lately because I have been losing, I don't want to say weight really. I mean, yeah, I've lost a little bit of weight, but also like I've just been shredding some fat here and there. And you can see like I'm like toning up a little bit more. So that's been cool, and this is how I've been doing it. You know, I do work out pretty consistent, like 6 days a week. But I honestly think the most important thing is diet, because I don't see results the way that I do when I focus on my nutrition. And yeah, so right now I'm just going to give you a brief overview of what I've been doing. I'm on a fitness program. It's by Workouts by ᵗʰᶦ⶜⶜. It's a challenge, Beachbody Bikini program. Yeah, I think I talked about it in my last video, but I've been on that. It's an 8-week program. I am on the 5th week right now. My weight, I haven't like lost a whole bunch of weight being on this like I did with my last program. My last program I lost like freaking 15 pounds, I think. I was at 155 almost when I first started it, and then I got down to 135, and so I've been on that 135 for a while, which I'm okay with it, honestly. I don't mind it. It's like a nice weight. It's a little thick, but that's cool. Like, I don't really care too much about the number. I care more about like physically, like how I look and what the changes I can see like physically in my body. And as far as food goes, I'm counting my calories as much as I can, and as often as I can. It's kind of annoying sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, but it's easy. Like, it takes like literally a minute to put it in my Fitness Pal, and that's what I use, is my Fitness Pal. And I count my macros. So macros are kind of confusing, not gonna lie. I mean, at least like when I first started, I was like, what is all of this? What are all these numbers and percentages? But now I've done it for a while, on and off. Like, I'll track for a little bit and then give myself a break and then track, kind of understand it a little bit better. I try to keep my protein high, carbs moderate, and fats moderate. Honestly, I have what I have on my Fitness Pal is what a friend of mine like gave me, that is actually like a certified trainer. He like told me which ones to what to set the numbers and goals at, and then I just go by that. So right now I'm at 1,300 calories, which is kind of low, but it's because I was noticing that at 1,500, like, it just felt like too much food, and my body just like couldn't take it. Like, digestion wise, I just felt like too full all the time, and I wasn't really losing, like, I wanted to lose more weight. So but I'm also very short. I am only 5'1", so my calories are pretty low because I'm a small person. But yeah, that's what I'm at as far as calories. I feel like that has made a huge difference in my body physically. Like, I really see a big difference when I'm counting and making sure that I'm putting a lot of good food into my body. And then I'm just, I drink a lot of water. I try to drink at least half a gallon. Ew, I have a gum in my mouth and that felt horrible. And half a gallon every day of water. Very important to stay hydrated. Yeah, so if you guys want to see what I ate throughout the day, then go ahead and keep on watching. I like that. That was weird. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know why I said that. Okay, so I decided to just do a voiceover because I was really tired in the morning and I did not feel like talking. So, yeah, I just made some oatmeal. This is what I eat most mornings because I just love oatmeal so much. These are all the ingredients that I put in there. This berry medley, it's frozen berries. Hemp seeds are really good for you. They have lots of protein and low calories. Chia seeds are also very good, superfood. And yeah, I just throw that all together. It's so freaking good, like literally so delicious. My fave. I'll just microwave it, and here are the macro breakdown. It is kind of high in calories, but that is okay because it's good to have a lot of calories in the morning or in the beginning of your day. It's just better. My snack was these little harvest snaps. They're little peas. They're like baked in their tomato basil flavor, super good. My lunch was super basic. I was feeling very lazy, didn't want to cook nothing crazy. So it's just a beef patty. The beef is very lean ground beef, and my mac and cheese because I love mac and cheese. And that's pretty much all I had for lunch. I didn't really have anything else besides the barbecue sauce. And then for dinner, I didn't really get to take any footage because my phone died. But I just got food, like I got takeout from Twin Peaks and ate that. I got the chicken breast, grilled chicken breast with cheese and fries, a side of fries. I asked for sweet potato fries, but they gave me regular fries, but I just kind of accepted it, and I was like, it's fine. So I ate about half of the serving of the fries because I didn't want to eat that many. If you guys like this video, do not forget to keep on watching. To press like and subscribe because, oh my god, I just made eye contact with somebody walking up here. But anyways, if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. I will answer any questions. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. And then I hit 100 subscribers. That's amazing. I love that. I love that for us here on this channel. So, yeah, I appreciate you guys. I hope you have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, laters. Bye. Was cold at night when you came into my troubles all night.